What really happens when AI meets creativity? What happens when raw creativity meets cutting-edge AI? Is it a collaboration or competition? From AI-generated paintings to music composed by machines, the boundaries between human imagination and artificial intelligence are blurring faster than ever. In this video, we dive deep into what really happens when AI meets creativity, and trust us, it's way more mind-blowing than you think. Stick around, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you're ready to explore the future of human-machine imagination. Section 1. The Rise of Creative AI. Just a few years ago, if someone told you that artificial intelligence could write novels, compose symphonies, or create breathtaking paintings, you'd probably laugh it off as science fiction. But today, it's a stunning reality. We're witnessing a rapid transformation in the creative world, powered by AI. And it's not just copying or mimicking human work. It's creating, and sometimes it's even outpacing human expectations. From tools like Midjourney and DALL-E that generate stunning artworks from text prompts, to ChatGPT that helps brainstorm entire storylines or write poetry, to Aiva and Amper Music composing cinematic scores, AI has officially entered the artist's studio. These models don't just replicate, they learn, adapt, and evolve with each input. But what makes this rise so fascinating is the accessibility. You don't need to be a professional artist anymore. With the help of AI, anyone can visualize a fantasy world, design a futuristic car, or score an original soundtrack. The barrier to entry for creativity is collapsing, and that's both exciting and terrifying. In schools, students use AI to visualize science fiction worlds for their essays. In the workplace, marketers use AI to generate campaign visuals or headlines. Even YouTubers and filmmakers are creating entire storyboards and scripts with AI assistance. Creative AI is no longer a niche, it's becoming mainstream. But here's the kicker. This is just the beginning. So now, we have to ask ourselves, is AI a tool, a collaborator, or a competitor in the realm of human creativity? That's what we'll explore in the next part of this video. Section 2. Mind-blowing examples of AI-created art. Let's dive into the real magic, what AI is actually creating today. We're not just talking about filters or random patterns. We're talking about masterpieces, music, visuals, literature, and even films that are shaking the foundations of what we thought only humans could do. Visual art, Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion. AI-powered image generators like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion can turn text prompts into stunning artwork in seconds. You can type a cyberpunk city at sunset, watercolor style, and instantly get a painting that could hang in a gallery. Artists are now collaborating with these AIs, feeding them concepts and refining outputs until they arrive at something truly original. Entire Instagram art accounts are now run by creators who use AI as their main tool. Music, Aiva, Amper, and Suno AI. Want an original cinematic soundtrack? Try Aiva. Need a pop hit for your short film? Enter Amper or the newer Suno AI. These tools allow users to compose music by setting tone, tempo, and mood. The music they generate isn't just decent, it's emotionally engaging and professional grade. There are even AI-generated music artists, now virtual singers, with unique voices and personalities, backed by neural networks that write lyrics and melodies. Writing, ChatGPT, Pseudowrite, Jasper AI is now helping authors write novels, bloggers generate content, and scriptwriters brainstorm stories. ChatGPT, Pseudowrite, and Jasper can not only finish your sentences, they can write chapters, build plot twists, and even mimic the style of famous authors. Some indie authors have even published AI-assisted novels on Amazon. Critics are shocked by the quality, and readers often can't tell that it wasn't written by a human. Film and animation, Sora, Runway, Pika. This year, OpenAI's Sora made headlines for generating video from text prompts. Tools like Runway ML and Pika Labs are letting creators design scenes, characters, and even full trailers with minimal effort. Independent filmmakers are now building short films entirely with AI, from storyboarding to visual effects. These examples aren't just impressive, they're redefining what it means to be creative in the 21st century. But the question remains, can AI truly be original, or is it just remixing what humans have already made? Section 3. Collaboration or competition. Human versus AI creators. As artificial intelligence becomes more sophisticated, a big question emerges. Are AI systems collaborators, or are they competitors to human creators? Collaboration. Humans AI equals super creativity. For many creators, AI is not a threat, it's a superpower. Writers are using tools like ChatGPT to overcome writer's block and brainstorm plot ideas. Designers are using Midjourney or DALL-E to visualize concepts that were once impossible to sketch manually. The result? Faster production, higher efficiency, and often better results. For example, a filmmaker might use AI to generate early drafts of a script or even visualize a scene with virtual actors before filming begins. More and more creative professionals are seeing AI as a creative partner rather than a rival. It helps extend their abilities and explore ideas that were too time-consuming or expensive before. Competition. Is AI replacing artists? However, not everyone sees AI as a friend. Many artists, writers, and musicians are worried that AI will replace them. After all, why hire a human composer if AI can write a symphony in seconds? Why pay for an illustrator when AI can generate 10 styles instantly? And the concern is valid. Some companies are already replacing human workers with AI tools. News outlets use AI to write financial reports. Marketing agencies use AI to generate blog content. Even entire animations are being produced with little to no human involvement. This leads to ethical questions. Should AI-generated work be labeled? Should artists be compensated when their work is used to train AI? Should there be legal limits to how AI can be used in creative fields? What if it's not either or? The future might not be about choosing sides. Instead, it could be about balance. A human might create a vision and AI brings it to life faster, or AI creates a rough draft and humans refine it with heart and emotion. Think of AI not as a replacement, but as a powerful creative assistant like Photoshop or a musical instrument. The soul of the art still comes from the human, but AI helps express it faster, bigger, and bolder. Ready for the future? In the next section, we'll explore how this creative fusion is already changing industries from fashion to filmmaking. Section 4. How AI creativity is disrupting industries. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword, it's a game changer. Especially when it meets creativity, it doesn't just enhance traditional processes, it reshapes entire industries. Let's explore how AI-driven creativity is revolutionizing everything from fashion and music to marketing and filmmaking. Fashion. From sketch to runway in minutes, AI is helping fashion designers predict trends, generate new designs, and even simulate how clothing looks on virtual models. Tools like Fashwell or View.ai analyze user preferences and generate unique clothing ideas, allowing designers to move from concept to prototype incredibly fast. Some brands now let users co-create outfits with AI, a blend of personalization and machine intuition that reshapes customer engagement. Music. Instant composers AI tools like AIVA, Amper, and SoundDraw are composing music that sounds shockingly human. Filmmakers and content creators are using these platforms to produce background scores, soundtracks, and theme music in minutes. Artists like Grimes and Holly Herndon are even collaborating with AI to create experimental music, pushing the boundaries of what sound and creativity can be. Filmmaking. The AI director is here. AI is now being used to generate scripts, storyboards, and even full video content. OpenAI's Sora is an example of a breakthrough where AI can generate realistic video clips based on text prompts. In editing, tools like Runway or Pika Labs speed up post-production dramatically. AI can remove backgrounds, adjust lighting, and enhance video quality in seconds. Marketing and advertising. Hyper-personalization. Marketers are using AI to analyze audience behavior and generate ad copy, headlines, and visuals. Tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, or Canva's AI features allow businesses to produce campaigns that are targeted, optimized, and scalable. Dynamic content can now be tailored in real time to each viewer, creating ads that react to who's watching. What's next? AI creativity is moving fast, and those who embrace it are gaining an edge. Whether you're a solo creator or a global brand, using AI isn't just optional anymore, it's essential. Industries that once relied purely on human imagination are now supercharged with machine intelligence. This isn't just evolution, it's a creative revolution. Section 5. Ethical dilemmas and creative ownership in the age of AI. As artificial intelligence becomes more capable of generating art, music, literature, and even films, a crucial question arises: who owns the creation? Is it the machine, The developer, the prompt writer, or the human who curates the final output? This dilemma is already causing ripples in legal and ethical spheres. In 2023, the U.S. Copyright Office ruled that works created solely by AI aren't eligible for copyright protection. That means only human contributions can be legally protected. Creativity without accountability? Another ethical concern revolves around accountability. If an AI generates offensive content, deepfakes, or manipulative ads, who is responsible? The developer, the company, or no one at all? This gray area makes it harder to enforce laws or ensure moral standards. And as AI becomes more autonomous, separating intent from algorithm becomes increasingly complex. What defines art in the AI era? Many artists argue that true creativity requires emotion, experience, and intention, things machines inherently lack. Critics of AI-generated art often say it's soulless, derivative, or simply data remixing. Yet some argue that AI art is simply a new medium, just like photography once was. After all, didn't we say the same things when Photoshop arrived or when synthesizers entered music? Collaboration versus replacement. Should AI replace human creativity or should it support it? That's the question creators around the world are wrestling with. Many see AI not as a threat, but as a collaborative partner, a tool that helps unlock new levels of expression. For example, artists use AI to generate design ideas, writers use it to brainstorm plots, and musicians to experiment with new sounds. The human element still matters. In the end, AI lacks context, emotion, and consciousness. It doesn't feel the weight of a tragic story or celebrate the beauty of a sunset. That's where human creativity still shines. Our values, emotions, and intentions are what make a creation truly meaningful. What do you think? Should AI be treated like a co-creator or just a tool? Do we need new copyright laws? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's open this important conversation. Artificial intelligence is not just changing how we create, it's challenging us to rethink what it means to be creative. As we explore this new frontier, your voice matters more than ever. If this video sparked your curiosity, inspired a new idea, or made you question the role of AI in art, hit the like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology and creativity. The future of creativity isn't written by machines or humans alone, it's being written by both. And you're part of that story.